Hi everybody, welcome to Kingston Library's Summer Reading Club, Tales and Tales. Today we're going to be making our wooden flying bird, which you can collect from your local library. No need to book, just come on down and pick it up. So here's our beautiful bird. Let's make it. So when you come down to the library, this is what you're going to be given. The instructions, which we will work through today. You'll get your wooden bird pieces. Whoop. So 2 wings, the body of your birdie, there it is. You get some jute string, some elastic and a bead. You will need either paints or markers or Sharpies or Poscas or textures, a ruler and a pair of scissors. Here we go. So you can either decorate your bird before or after you've completed popping it together, it's up to you. With this one, I decorated it beforehand, but you can do what works for you. So first off, take your string, unravel it, and we're going to cut a 25 centimetre piece and a 15 centimetre piece. So measure it against your ruler. So 0 to, whoop, 25. So there, and snip it. So it's your 25 centimetre piece and then your 15 centimetre piece. And pop it up against your ruler like so, and then cut the string. So you should have left about 3.1 metres of string left. Just pop that to the side where we'll use that in a second. So we're going to take our birdie and we're going to place one wing down on the table first. Then see these 2 holes? Not the one in the middle, the 2 on either side. So you've got 3 holes on the top. We're going to take the 2 on either side and line them up with the holes on the wings, like so. Like that. Then you're going to take the other wing and pop it on this side. So you've got one wing on one side, the bird body in the middle, and then the other wing on the top. So line up the holes like so. It's a bit tricky. Like that, so you can see through. Hello. And then you're going to take your 25 centimetre string. You're going to thread through one hole. So you're going through the 3 pieces of wood and then take the other side of the string and thread it through the other hole. Oop, lost the hole. There it is. Takes a little bit of patience. And try it again. Through there. Oop, I can see it. There it is. There goes the tongue. Sorry. So there we have 2 bits of string on this side. So it's looped through at the back, holding them all together. And then we're going to tie a knot. Make sure it's firm but not too tight. And if you need to adjust it later on, you can do. Because you just need a little bit of flexibility to make sure our wings can flap. I'm going to tie a knot like that. So there we have our knotted rope on this side and our loop here. So it's holding, as you can see, the 2 wings onto the birdie body. Next, you're going to take your 3.1 metre bit of string and we are going to thread it I'm getting all tangled. We're going to thread it through the holes on the wings. So if you look at your wings, you have 2 holes about 2/3 of the way up the wing. We're going to pop it through the right hole. So if you're looking down at the bird, the right hole, like so. And thread it around the back and thread it back through the left hole, the left side, like that. So I've got, again, the loop on the one side and the 2 bits, 2 strings on the other side. So pull it, try and even it. Make them as even as you can because we want our birdie to be balanced. And then you find your ends where you're going to tie a knot in each end. So don't tie them together, tie them separate. So we're doing a knot on this one. I'm just going to do a loose knot again because I don't want it to pull back through. So I've done a double knot on that side, and then find your other piece of string end and then do again sort of a double loose knot so it's a bit chunky, like so. Then whoop, we are going to pull the side that has the loop like so. You can see it coming through. No, they're not working. So then you've got the tied bits have then pushed up against the birdie wing. We're going to open our wings and grab the centre string, like so. So now on one side we have it looped around the wing, and on the other side we have the 2 tied bits of string. And up here in the middle we have, see? Perfect. Okay, lay that down. Now we're going to take our piece of elastic and you're going to thread it, whoops, through that 3rd hole. Remember back in the beginning I said not the middle hole, now we need to use the middle hole. So you're going to thread it through, whoops, thread it through the middle hole on the back of the birdie. So thread it through and then tie a knot. Again, you don't have to do it too tight, you might want to change it later. So make sure it's on. Then, here we go. Hold your string pieces together and get your elastic and pull it up as high as you need to. Oops. Oops. To make it, so I'm tightening the elastic. I think that's probably about right. So make it as tight, as taut as you can so your birdie's going to fly. Give it a bit of a practice. That might happen, it might come untied. That's okay, just tie it back again. Like so. Just a re-demonstration. And then, so give it a bit of a jiggle. See if you're happy with the flight of your birdie. And then you're going to tie the elastic onto the middle of the string where they're joined, like so. I'm just going to do a loose tie, a loose knot, because I might want to change it once I've got it up. Oops. Like so. Now we need to place the weight. So you've got one last hole here. So lay your birdie down. Take your 15 centimetre piece of string and your bead. You're going to thread this last bit of string through the hole at the bottom of the bird's belly. Thread it through like so. Thread the bead on and then tie another knot. getting there. And there's our weight on our birdie. I think I need to change the elastic a bit. And there we go. Whoop. There's our flying birdie. Hey! Now you can decorate it however you would like. I hope you have fun making our flying wooden bird as part of our summer reading club, Tales and Tales. Have a wonderful holiday. See you soon.